Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So now let's jump right into this video. So what you have to do right now is write this here in the search bar, bing.com/images. Now let's click on the first result, and now let's click on create. In here, make sure I'll leave in the description of this video the prompt. This is the first prompt. I'll leave in the description of this video this prompt, and now what you have to do is to click on create. Your image is being created by AI. So now we just have to wait, and here we go. We have a very nice classy image. It looks pretty nice. I'll go this one, so I'll select this one, and then now I have the option here to share. Now you also can customize if you use more let's say advanced type of words. Not advanced, but yeah, advanced words, simple words, or beginner. No, it depends on how you write. So make sure you customize this prompt, because you'll get better results if you want different. So yeah, you can change here. And of course, this handle, instead of how to browser, make sure you add your own handle. And also, instead of Snapchat here, you can say Instagram. And also, if I were you, if you want to post this, I will actually remove this in Photoshop. And if you want me to show you how to do this in Photoshop, make sure you leave a comment down below saying that you want me to create a tutorial in Photoshop about how to remove, because I would remove this here in Photoshop and add more details here, and remove this bar as well, this one here, and of course customizing this even more. All right, so it looks better. And now we can here we can customize here even more in image creator Bing, or we can also click on download here. Now we can download this on our computer. Click on image here, and here we have the image. Perfect. And we also have this option here in Bing. We can just pretty much edit this image, and you can add text and so on and so forth. But now I have next prompt. I'm gonna use next prompt, so let's paste this prompt. I'll leave this prompt in the description of this video, and let's click create. Now we just have to wait. I'm just gonna look should this softer. If you want blur, you can also remove background, add some visuals, text, templates. Looks pretty nice. Now here we have the image. This one looks great. And of course here, as I said, now here I actually changed to Instagram, and I obviously here typed how to browser, but of course you can change. I added some more advanced words because I like this more, but you can use some simple words. You can just change this prompt in a more simple way, because you'll get different results. So it's good to practice, good to try different prompts, but just make sure you still have the main idea here. This one looks really nice as well. But as I said, remove this. You can remove this in Photoshop and add our handle, and just remove some parts here so we can make this look even better. But that's the video for today. I really hope you found this helpful. If you want me to show you how to edit this in Photoshop, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.